Cold start on the 1985 M151a2 MUTT, and 53, 54, intake 49. So just turn on the battery switch, clutch in, hit the foot pedal. Does have a choke and a throttle cable, but you typically only need the choke if she's been sitting a while. Give it a little bit of gas. We'll do a walk around next.